Welcome back, everybody. My name is Joel Miramontes, your appliance expert, and today I want to talk to you about one of the most innovative laundry appliances on the market. This is the Samsung Bespoke All-in-One Combo Washer Dryer Unit. This is one of the industry's largest and fastest all-in-one units, offering you a 98-minute wash and dry cycle. Starting off at the top here, you do have a 7-inch color touchscreen display that is powered by artificial intelligence, which means that when you turn it on, the most used cycles are presented first. Looking over on the right-hand side here, you do have a small hatch with an integrated lint filter that does open up for very easy cleaning. Looking at the front of the machine, you do also have Samsung's flat design and a tempered glass door in the front. If we move along on the inside, we do have a 5.3 cubic foot capacity. It's one of the largest in the industry, which means that you can fit more clothes per cycle. You also have Samsung's swirl drum design, which means that it helps saturate the clothes with more water and more detergent as it's tumbling along, and it won't let your clothes snag against each other. Two of my favorite features are the Eco Bubble design, which means that it foams up the detergent to offer you greater stain fighting power with a lower dosage. The other thing too is that it does pop open the door at the end of the cycle to kind of air out your laundry if you forget to open the washer at the end of the cycle. Here located at the bottom, you do have Samsung's automatic soap dispenser, which you can fill up with your favorite detergent, or you can open up the entire tank to be able to clean it out if necessary. Revealed just behind that is the integrated coin trap as well as an emergency drain on the front of this washing machine. On into any one of our 28 locations or here in Boulder, Colorado at 1661 28th Street, and either myself or any one of my expert staff can answer any questions you may have about this new all-in-one washer dryer unit.